Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Today we're gonna make the ultimate Chinese comfort food, tomato and egg stir fry. If you ever heard about it, if you ever tried it, it's so popular and we say every Chinese can make it because it's so simple, it's comforting, it's nutritious. And I hope you will learn how to make it. I will show you the proper way to make it. Let's cook, shall we? We need 2 eggs, or you can use 3 eggs, but I will show you how to increase the volume of eggs. And we add water, about 2 tablespoons water. This is how we add the volume. And I will season the eggs with a little bit white pepper powder and a pinch of salt. Beat it. We also need minced garlic and the green onions. I always separate the green part and, the white part and green part, right? White part for flavor and green part for garnish. We have 2 medium tomatoes and we just need to score. Score means just the cut and the surface, right? Like this, not too deep. Why we are doing this, you will know soon. Now we put in a bowl. And this is hot water. How hot? Hot enough to make tea, make your coffee, right? Put the hot water over them. Why we are doing this? Because we're going to peel the tomato. Now we can peel it. For this one, we're going to cut into dices. Okay, these are diced tomatoes. And this one, get rid of the core. And this one cut into chunks. Keep watching, you will see why we are doing this. I'm heating up the pan to high heat. Add some oil. I'm going to use avocado oil. You can use any vegetable oil. First, we're going to make the eggs. Don't move it immediately. Let it form. We're not going to make the eggs so well done, so this is good. 80% done. Now we take out, set aside. Add a little bit more oil. Now add minced garlic and medium heat. Cook about 10 seconds. Followed by our diced tomato. We'll add a little bit of sugar, pinch of salt. Cook 2 to 3 minutes till we see the juice come out. This is the time we can add a white part of green onions and tomato chunks. Now you know we have the diced tomatoes as a paste. Now we have a chunk tomatoes, which will have texture. And we add about ½ cup water. Bring this to boil. Now it's boiling. Let it cook about 2 to 3 minutes. After about a few minutes, our tomato chunks are getting tender. Now let's add the eggs. Mix. Beautiful color, isn't it? Now we finish with green onions. Give a stir. Let me taste quickly. A little bit more salt. I always like a little bit more white pepper powder, optional. Or you can also add some chicken bouillon, but I want to keep the original flavor. And our tomato eggs ready. Wow, so simple, isn't it? Beautiful. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. I love the texture of those chunks.
So sweet.
Sweet. Tomatoey. Tomatoey. Very comforting. Please try to make it. The ingredients are so simple, cannot be simpler. I believe it's going to become one of your regulars, something you're going to make all the time. You can serve with rice or serve with noodles. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.